Yo, what's up guys, and today we're talking about one of the most refined and feature-packed headphones on the market right now, the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones. If you're looking to grab these with a limited-time discount, I've got the link waiting for you right down there in the description. Let's get into it. This is Sony's latest noise-canceling champ. The WH-1000XM5 takes everything that was already great about the XM4 and just levels up. First up, noise cancellation. We're not just talking about cutting out the background hum. This thing packs 2 processors and 8 microphones that work together to actively silence your world. Whether you're on a plane, at a cafe, or in the middle of New York traffic, yeah, I tested it, these headphones crush ambient noise. And with Auto NC Optimizer, it actually adapts in real time to your environment. That's straight up smart. Audio-wise, Sony dropped in their integrated processor V1 and paired it with custom 30mm drivers. For calls, there are 4 beamforming mics and some seriously impressive signal processing. Your voice sounds clear even if the world around you is chaos. Battery life? You're getting up to 30 hours of playback. More than enough for a cross-country flight and a workday. And if you're running out the door, a 3-minute charge gets you 3 hours of use. That's not marketing fluff, I tested it. It works. Now here's something underrated. Comfort. The XM5s are light, flexible, and they feel premium. Sony redesigned the frame to be more minimal, and it just disappears on your head. Long editing sessions or binge-watching. No pressure points, no fatigue. Another win, multipoint connectivity. The touch controls on the ear cups, super responsive. With Bluetooth 5.2, the connection is rock solid and reaches up to 32 feet. I walked from my desk to the kitchen. Music still bumpin'. Low latency. High reliability. Why you should consider these. Here's a quick breakdown. Dual processors and 8 mics equals elite noise cancellation. Auto NC Optimizer adjusts to your environment. 30 hours battery life plus 3-minute fast charge equals win. Crystal clear calls with beamforming mics. Touch controls and voice assistant support. High-res audio with custom drivers. Multipoint connection for quick switching. Lightweight, travel-friendly design. Bluetooth 5.2, 32-foot range. Full charge in 3.5 hours via USB. These aren't just great for music. They're amazing for remote work, travel, gaming, you name it. So, if you're in the market for flagship wireless headphones that check all the boxes, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is it. It's a mix of cutting-edge tech, smart features, and all-day comfort. Check out the special discount link in the description, and don't sleep on it. It might not last long. Thanks for watching, fam. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and subscribe to Tech Marlos for more in-depth reviews and the latest in tech. Catch you in the next one. Peace.